Are you a business professional, student, teacher, freelancer, solopreneur wanting to take your Excel skills to the next level? If you answered yes to the question, then this video is for you. You might not want to skip this one. We at SkillsRediscovery have arranged a 3-day workshop on MS Excel, even if you have zero prior knowledge of the subject. With our star teacher, Mr. Manoj P. Chakravarti, IT consultant and corporate trainer holding 33+ years of experience in corporate Excel. You will be learning everything from the fundamentals of Excel, creating MS dynamic dashboards, complex data analysis, and much more. Not to forget, you will be getting a free certification from our top faculty if you enroll now. So, hurry up! What's stopping you from being a part of this informative workshop? Join us and thousands of other students live from 28th to 30th September from 7:30 p.m. onwards. Click the link in the caption and description box below to book your free slot now. Only limited seats available.